In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DocHub for signatures. We'll walk through the full process of creating a signature in DocHub and placing it on a document so you can sign files quickly and cleanly. To get started, head to the DocHub dashboard. This is where all of your available files are stored, and it's the starting point for opening the document you want to sign. Once you're on the dashboard, click on your document to open it in the editor. With the document open, look for the Sign option and click it. This is where DocHub gives you access to signature tools. From there, select Create Your Signature. This opens the setup window where you can decide how you want your signature to be made. DocHub gives you a few different methods to choose from. You can create your signature using your phone, draw it directly, upload an image of your signature, or type it. Pick the method that works best for you. If you choose the type option, you'll be able to choose from the available signature styles. This is helpful if you want something fast, neat, and easy to reuse. After choosing the style you want, click Save as Default. That step is important because it stores your signature for future use, which can save time the next time you need to sign a document in DocHub. Next, click on Sign Again. Now that your signature has been created and saved, it should be available for you to use. Simply drag and drop the created signature onto the document wherever it needs to go. Take a moment to position it carefully so it lines up properly in the signature area and looks professional. And that's it. Once your signature is placed, your document is ready for the next step in your workflow. Using DocHub this way makes digital signing simple, especially if you plan to sign documents regularly.